This way, then.
There you are. Come on, turn around. We need to talk.
Jade, we meet at last. Tell your men to stand down before they get hurt.
Excuse me? I think you have the situation confused here.
The video is awesome. Right, yeah. Comment below what you think of these awesome new character sheets.
Wait, what? Who were you talking to?
You interrupted my video I was making, which, by the way, you are the star of. We just created you a few minutes ago.
Wait, what do you mean you made me?
This is all an illusion. We are all computer-generated. Nothing here is real.
I don't have time for this. The Emperor sent me.
Stop with your conspiracy theories. The Emperor needs help with his Wi-Fi again.
Oh, did he restart the modem?
Why would we come here if we had not done that already? Excuse me, I need to take this. Yes, Master. What is it?
Mara, forget your search. I figured it out. The Wi-Fi is good now.
Oh, what happened? How did you fix it?
Well, this is awkward. I restarted the modem.
Told you that always works.
Oh, you did find him. Good. But that's even more awkward. Well, okay, bye.
Are you kidding me?
Are you done?
Yes, my lord. Apologies.
Oh, forget it. Let's just get out of here. I am in a galaxy of idiots.
Fake galaxy. Remember, this is all computer generated. This short film was created using mostly free AI tools. I will go over each scene of this film and teach you how I made each scene and the process it took. So, the first part of the film is the Star Wars crawl effect. I actually didn't use AI for this, believe it or not. There is a website here on the screen called Crawl Creator. There are similar websites that do the same thing, but I like this one the best. However, the only downside is you can't download the crawl, so you have to just screen record it. So, to do the crawl, it is very simple. Just click begin, then click the editor, then fill out the episode field and title, add a prologue too, and then once ready, get the screen recorder ready to go. You can use OBS or any sort of screen recording software. Start the recording, and then hit done, and then press the expand button to make it full screen. Let it play, and boom! You have your very own Star Wars crawl. You will notice it will automatically add the Star Wars theme music to the crawl. However, this music is heavily copyrighted, so I recommend creating your own Star Wars type music. I did this myself by using Google Gemini, believe it or not. To create epic Star Wars-like theme music with Gemini, just type into Google Gemini and click on the link that says gemini.google.com. Log in. Now, click on the arrow next to fast and change it to thinking mode. This will allow Gemini to create full 2-minute songs and not just 30-sec songs. Now, go over to where it says tools and change it to create music. Now, to create Star Wars sounding music simple, just tell the AI to do so. Type something like, create me a epic orchestra style instrumental song that sounds like the main Star Wars theme. It will then think on this task and may take it a bit, but eventually it will create a epic, copyright-free song that sounds kind of like something in a Star Wars movie. If you like this, then great, download it. But if you don't like it, create a better prompt, asking exactly what you need. For example, when I made the one for Jade film, I told it to be super bold and loud at the beginning, and then die down around the 45-second mark. And then after that, slow the sound down to ultimately stop at the 90-second mark. The next part of the film was Jade's ship coming out of hyperspace and landing on the planet. This took several takes, but luckily with the help of the character sheets, I was able to create a ship character sheet for the ship to keep it consistent throughout the video. I used VO and Grok Imagine for these clips, and put them together. Even with the character sheets, it will take time to get the videos just right. Key is to keep creating until it does it right. The next scenes were a mixture of Grok Imagine and Google Flow's Veo 3.1. You can use Veo for free in Google Flow with 50 credits per day. That can be anywhere from 3 to 5 videos per day depending on what version of the model you use. And Grok Imagine is not free anymore, however. If you happen to have X Premium, you can sign into Grok with your X account and gain access to limited amount if videos per day. I have this, and I can usually make around 10 to 15 6-second videos per day, so not bad. You may want to consider X Premium, since you can get a verify check on X, and get access to the light version of Super Grok for $2 cheaper. But you can also just use Google Flow. The only reason I really need Grok, though, is Google Flow restricts copyrighted characters, so you can't create stormtroopers in Google Flow. The next part of the video required lip sync features so Jade could talk. This was done for free with one of the best lip sync tools out there, Dreamina.capcut.com. This site is epic. You can create up to 4 lip sync videos per day depending on the length. The best part is you can upload your own audio, so you can record your own voice. This tool is very accurate. I usually can take the first try. However, the only drawback is you can only upload 1 reference image as the first frame. So character consistent sheets could not be used at these parts, so Jade still looked fairly consistent, but her face did seem to change a bit in these lip sync videos. When it changed to me talking, I just used Grok since I get more generations per day with Grok, and technically since I am wearing a helmet, I don't really need to worry about syncing the lips to the talking. Pro tip, if you have a character that talks a lot, maybe better to put a helmet on them so you don't have to worry about lip syncs. This is the way. A bit into the talking part and I ran into a snag. I needed scene that transitioned from the current scene to Jade talking on a holographic phone. I usually would just do this with Grok, but I had reached my limit, so I had to improvise. Flow would not let me get a scene in properly with the stormtroopers behind Mara, so I went ahead, blurred out the stormtroopers behind her so I could make the transition video of her answering the phone, and then taking that clip, adding it to the editor, and then adding the stormtrooper back by using the image and cropping out Jade, so that the video behind the image is her answering the phone. Once she got the phone open, it was then easy to go back to Capcut for the lip sync part. If you are not paying attention, it looks fine, but if you pause or watch the video again, you can see the edges of the image where it was cropped. But I feel like it is good enough. I was running out of time, so it works. I don't necessarily recommend doing things this way, but if you have trouble, it can be an alternative method to get things to work. The next scene is the holographic display of the Emperor. So, like usual, I wanted to start with a really good image. So, using Google Flow's Nano Banana image generator, I created several generations until I got it just right. Then from there, made the videos. Believe it or not, I was able to keep Mara's hand consistent even here, by having the image generator reference her character sheet. From there, I picked out the best image, but the background didn't go well with the room, so simple prompt to change the background and boom, I got the scene just right. Now I just need to make the videos of the hooded figure talking with hands movement, and there we go. We have the Emperor on a holographic phone. The next scenes are more of the same, Grok Imagined, mixed with Veo 3.1, and Capcut for any more lip syncing. So my workflow goes like this. First, Nano Banana image generations of reference character sheets and starting scenes. Then, Veo 3.1, Grok Imagined, and Capcut for video scene creations. Lastly, putting them all together with your favorite video editor. Overall, creating AI films can still take a while, but The time making this versus either filming or animating scenes is way faster. AI is becoming better and better, and even free AI tools are becoming more and more useful. I hope that this workflow will help you out on your video making journey, and I will see you next time for another helpful tech tutorial. And remember, tech is the way.
Circuits hum, I watch the cursor blink, frozen screen, cold metal on my lap, system crash, black coffee spills on the deck, power down, power up again. Tech is the way, tech is the way, code in the veins, digital rain, tech is the way, tech is the way. Printer jams, red light flashing slow, low toner.